To define loyalty reward points, I will go to the module Retail and Commerce, and then I will open the Customers section. Underneath the Customer sections, I will find a other section called Loyalty, and I will expand the Loyalty section, and I will select the Loyalty Reward Points menu item. I will create a new Loyalty Reward Points by selecting New, enter a reward point ID, Winter Reward in my case, and I will also enter the description as Winter Reward. Next to that, I will select a reward point type. I will select the value amount. Next to the type amount, I will fill in the currency with the value US dollars, and I will mark redeemable to yes. As redeem ranking, I will fill in the number 2, and as expiration time value, I will fill in the number 5. After entering those values, I will select the button Save, and I will close the form. Next step is to create a loyalty program. So I will find the loyalty program menu item underneath the section Loyalty. To create a new loyalty program, I will select the button New, and I will enter the name of my loyalty program, in my case, Contoso USA Rewards. As a description, I will enter the same value, Contoso USA Rewards. Next step is to create program tiers by selecting the button Add Line. A pop-up will come asking you if you want to continue. You select yes. As a level, I will enter a number 1 in my case, and as tier, I will fill in the name Golden. As the description, I will enter Golden tier. Next to that, I need to select a date interval. I click the drop-down button, and I will select previous month. I will create a second program tier by, again, selecting the button Add Line. Again, the pop-up appears, in which I will select yes. As a level, I will now enter number 2, and as tier, I will give the value Silver. As a description, I will enter Silver tier. I need to select a date interval, and I will select previous month from the drop-down menu. Next step is to create tier rules. I will first start with creating tier rules for my Golden program tier. So I will first select my Golden program tier record. After that, I will select the button New from the tier rules form. I need to fill in a reward point. So I will use the drop down to select my reward point ID. I will select my Winter Reward, which I previously created. And as minimum issued points, I will enter a value of 500. As evaluation date interval, I will select the previous month value using the drop down button. As second, I will enter a tier rule for my Silver program tier. So first I will select my Silver program tier record. After it's highlighted, I will click or I will select the button New from the tier rules. I will select reward points from the drop-down menu, Winter Rewards, the one that I previously created, and as minimum issued points, I will leave that to the value 0. As evaluation date time interval, I will select previous month as value from the drop-down. After I have done so, I will select the button Save to save my changes.